Wondering if your Tesla is actually charging? The charge port light is your key. It uses colors and blinks to tell you the charging status, connectivity, and any potential issues. Understanding these signals can save you time and prevent unnecessary worry. This video will break down everything you need to know as of December 2025. Blink patterns add extra information to the color codes. A slow blink, every 2 to 3 seconds, often means the system is waiting for authorization. A fast blink with rapid 1-second intervals indicates an error needing immediate attention, like a faulty cable. Rare alternating colors like yellow-red can signal thermal issues. These patterns are not arbitrary. They are integrated with the Tesla software and can give you an edge. Let's examine real-world scenarios to help you interpret your Tesla's charge port light. First scenario, you notice a solid blue light while your car is plugged in. This indicates that normal charging is actively occurring. For level 1 or level 2 charging stations, the light remains a steady blue color. Second scenario, the blue light is pulsing or flashing. This usually occurs when you're connected to a Tesla supercharger. The pulsing animation indicates the higher power delivery typical of supercharging stations. Third scenario, you see a red light flashing rapidly. This is an error indicator, often pointing to issues with your charging cable, the charging station, or an incompatible adapter. Inspect your equipment and consider replacing faulty components. Fourth scenario, a solid green light appears. This confirms that your Tesla has reached a full charge. The vehicle is ready for use and you can disconnect the charger. Fifth scenario, you don't see any light at all. This could mean the charge port door isn't fully opened or the car is in an energy-saving mode to conserve battery. Open the door completely and check the Tesla app for charging status. In all scenarios, remember to confirm the charge port light's meaning using the Tesla mobile app. The app offers comprehensive charging details and notifications, helping you avoid any potential misinterpretations of the light indicators. Tesla's V12.5 software update in mid-2024 brought improved charge port diagnostics, offering more precise error reporting in the Tesla app. This update helps pinpoint issues like faulty cables and connector problems, eliminating ambiguity. The latest V13 beta even sends app notifications linked to charge port lights, keeping you informed of status changes. When you see a red light on your Tesla's charge port, it indicates an error or fault condition. Don't panic, but address it promptly to avoid further issues. First, inspect your charging cable for any visible damage, fraying, or loose connections. Ensure it's properly connected to both the vehicle and the charging station. If the cable looks fine, try plugging into a different charging station to rule out station-specific issues. Check the Tesla app on your phone for specific error messages that can provide more details about the problem. If the issue persists, contact Tesla support for assistance. They can diagnose and resolve more complex problems. Remember, ignoring a red light could lead to charging interruptions or potential damage, so always investigate promptly. The future of Tesla charging is smart. Charge port lights now sync with Tesla's energy software for predictive diagnostics. By 2026-2027, Tesla plans to integrate augmented reality in the app, letting you scan the port for real-time light interpretations. The goal is to digitize and simplify the charging experience. Experts recommend always cross-referencing the charge port light with your Tesla app for the most accurate information. Also, remember that environmental factors can affect the lights, especially extreme cold. A 2025 NREL study found 15% of Tesla owners misread red blinking, so education is key. By staying informed, you can confidently interpret your Tesla's charging status.